Yes, welcome to Cyber Safety Net Stay Safe Online, episode 168. Do you really need a new iPhone? Apple is releasing the iPhone 15 family this week, and they'll be working very, very hard to separate you from your hard earned money. Do you really need a new iPhone? Today, I'll be showing you how to look at your battery setting in your phone to determine if you have more useful life on your phone or if it's time to buy a new one. My name is Anthony Germanos. I'll be the presenter today. Today's presentation is sponsored by my fourth book, How Hacks Happen. In How Hacks Happen, there are two personas. There's me, Mark, the good guy, who wants to protect you because I'm the good guy. And there's Brad Cracker, the bad guy who wants to rip you off. Brad says, "Hey man, I'm good at hacking. Hacking is easy. I like the easy money." And that is Brad Cracker's view of the world. Back in episode 102, I introduced the CIA triad, or the confidentiality, integrity, availability triad. Since we're talking about the plastic box that you're carrying, in fact, now with the iPhone 15, it's not plastic, it's titanium. Since we're talking about the box that you're carrying that lets you make phone calls, check email, and get you where you need to go on time, I think we are in the availability domain. Don't buy into Apple's marketing department's messages that you automatically need an iPhone because there's a new iPhone available. Instead, check your battery settings. And here are some screen captures from my iPhone 12 Pro. I went into settings, then I went to battery, then I went to battery health and charging. And within battery health and charging, I saw that my battery was at 85%. And that 85% means that when I bought my phone and it was brand spanking new, the battery charging capacity was at 100%, but now it's at 85%. The ability to hold a charge. I still think 85% is half decent. So I'm going to continue using this iPhone. Yes, it's a few years old, but the battery charging capacity is at 85%. I will continue using it. I decided that if I ever go in here and I see that the charging is below 50%, then it may just be time to get a new phone because the battery is starting to fail. It's not happening yet. This is something you can do on your phone. Check the maximum capacity of your battery. Go into settings, go into battery, go into battery health and charging. You will see a number, and hopefully you're still strong. You're still at 80, 85, maybe 90%. If so, continue enjoying your investment. If you're below 50%, then it may be time to get a new phone because your battery is failing. Do not buy into the marketing department and their messages that you need a new phone. There are other factors like, does the screen still work and does the battery still hold a decent charge? I know your time is valuable. I know there are other places you could have been, but you chose to be here. You chose to listen to me, Mark Anthony Germanos, tell you that you do not have to go out and automatically buy the new iPhone. Instead, check your battery capacity and make sure that it will still hold a decent charge. If so, continue enjoying your investment. Thank you, everybody, for watching. Good day.